welcome back, new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change color standby mode after update iOS 17. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your setting and from here scroll down and click on standby mode. And from here what you need to do it, turn on standby mode. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that go back your home screen, and after that try to power off your iPhone and enter your charging cable. And from here you as can see, turn on standby mode. And after that, if you want to change color standby mode, what you need to do it, long press on standby mode and enter your passcode. And from here click on this button, and from here you as can see, change your standby mode colors and click on done. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.